objects. So if we want to create a user object, for example, const user, and then this user might have, let's just keep it like this for now. We're going to add an ID of 1 and then a name. Now, if we want to add types for each of these values here, we can do that. So we can say colon, and then we say this is an object type, and then this object type expects an ID that should be a number and a name that should be a string. So now if I come down here and make this ID a string, we're gonna get an error. Now this looks a little bit messy, so what you can do is you can come up here and just say type user, we just give it a name, and then we can say, you know, the ID should be, we can just move this from here to here, and then so instead of having the actual type here, we can just change this to user. However, this gotta be in uppercase. And then if we make this a string again, we're gonna get an error. Now there's also something called interfaces where it's very similar because you can use them in very similar ways. And you probably need to use an interface here, but we're gonna get to that in a later video.